Hello, young learners. Today we have a list of 10 exciting things, starting with the letter F. Perfect for children aged 5 and under. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1, the forest. The forest is like a big magical playground for animals and trees. It's a place where you can discover birds, squirrels, and even fairies. So next time you go for a walk, you might just find yourself in a lovely forest. Number 2, friends. Now, who are those cool people that you play with every day? That's right, they're your friends. Friends are the awesome buddies who share toys, laughter, and adventures with you. Remember, friends make life even more fun. Number 3, flowers. Look at these colourful and pretty flowers. Flowers come in all different sorts of shapes and sizes. Some smell super nice too. Flowers can make your garden look like a rainbow of different colours. Number 4, food. Yummy. Time to talk about food. Food is what you eat to grow big and strong. From crunchy apples to creamy ice cream. There's so much delicious stuff to taste. Just remember to share your treats. Number 5, the farm. Have you ever been to a farm? It's where you might find cows, pigs and chickens, or vegetables and fruits. Number 6, fish. Dive into the world of fish. They are the swimmers of the sea and they come in all sorts of colours. Some are super tiny while others are big and grand. Just be careful not to get splashed when you visit them in an aquarium. Number 7, feet. Feet are the things at the bottom of your legs that can help you walk, run, jump, and dance. Number 8, a fire engine. Here comes the fire engine. It's a big red truck which is normally full of water and firefighters, and they help to put fires out and save the day. When you hear the siren, you know help is on the way. Number 9, a frog. Say hello to the friendly frog. Frogs like to hop around and have long, sticky tongues to catch tasty bugs. Some even make ribbit sound. Number 10, fun. Last but not least, fun is the feeling you get when you play, laugh and enjoy your day. Whether it's building blocks, drawing pictures, or throwing leaves in the air, make time to have fun. Thanks for watching. See you again.